everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. It's collaboration day, so you know what that means. It's the great switcheroo. Myself and 4 other amazing YouTube artists, Tammy Anderson, Mina Villegas, Sarah Mack, and Erica Hughes have all teamed up, and we have something special today. So we are doing a switcheroo collaboration, which means we all take one of our special technique that we are known for to do, and we're switching it up. So we put names in a hat, techniques in a hat, pulled them out, and we all got paired up with techniques that we don't normally do. So I am doing a ring pour. That's right, guys. I haven't done a ring pour in over a year, if not longer. So I've gone ahead, I've mixed my colors, and just to save time, if you want to know all the information about the colors I used, how I mix them for a ring pour, because they're not the same as your Dutch pour, they're a lot thicker than a Dutch pour paint. So if you want to know all that information, check the description below the video and you'll find all that information there. So I'm going to bring you guys down on the canvas and we're going to get started on today's fun pour. All right, everybody, we have here a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I've got a big jug here where I'm going to layer my paints in for my ring pour, and then I'm going to pour it. So let's get started. I may speed up the part of this portion of the video because we are supposed to keep it at a 15-minute video. So I guess I should have taken these sticks out. I haven't done this. I'm not even using my hair dryer. I haven't done anything without my hair dryer in, I can't even tell you how long. This is going to be very fun and very interesting. As you can see, I'm layering the paints. I'm going to do it 2 times, and somewhere in between, I'm going to add a little bit of this gold. I didn't want to add too much gold. I don't want it to take over. So I'm only going to add a little bit of gold. And you know what? I don't even know. I probably mixed way too much paint. But again, I haven't done a ring pour in ages. So I don't even know how much paint to mix for something like this. This is so much fun. And of course, I have to pick like my favorite colors. So let me think off the top of my head. This is Amsterdam's Greenish Blue. Let's just pour it all in there. What the heck? Why not? This is Iridescent Blue Violet, I think, by Pebeo Studio Acrylics. This is Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Let's add the Permanent Blue Violet, I think, by Amsterdam, and Metallic, no, let's add some gold. This is Iridescent Gold by Pebeo, and Metallic Cobalt Blue. Oh my goodness, this looks like a lot of paint. Mina, how do you do this? It's so pretty, look. Look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, so we don't add a base, it's dry, but after I pour it, I will add white around it to help it flow better. So let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. I'm not used to paint being this thick. So what you want to do are small little circle-y swirls. At least that's what I remember. This could turn out to be a gorgeous painting, or it could turn out to be like a colossal mess. I don't know. We're gonna have to find out. All right, the purple's almost done. Here comes the Iridescent Blue-Green. Now, this is a lot of patience, which I don't typically have a lot of, you know, with my Dutch pours. It's just blowing in 5 minutes. It's not even 5 seconds. It's done. All right, here comes the pink. I hope this doesn't turn out to be an ugly, muddy mess. I can see some really cool cells in the cup. in the container though. All right, here comes the Amsterdam blue green, or the Amsterdam greenish blue, that's it. Oh my goodness, my hand is hurting. How do you do all this, Mina? Mina's so good at these ring pours, and I'm just doing a 16 by 20 inch canvas. She does these colossal, like massive canvases. I don't even know how she picks them up and tilts them. It's insane. So at the end of this video, you will see all 4 videos linked at the end in the 4 square boxes at the end of this video. And you can also find the links of all the videos in the description below. So you can click either on the links below, or you can click on the video thumbnails at the end of this video. Okay, I'm almost done. Oh my God, my hand hurts. This is crazy. But I'm loving the colors. I don't know what happened to the first round of gold I put in here. All right, here's gonna come some pink now. Oh my goodness. And tilting is the key. I cannot tell you how important tilting is. Oh my goodness. My hand is killing me. Like, insert Jeopardy music here. Oh, see, now I'm getting sloppy. That was a bad twist there. All right, and so at the end, what you want to do is catch the drips. You don't want it to drip as you're pulling away, because it'll make a big ugly swirl there. Okay, I'm gonna put these back, because there's still a little bit of paint in some of these cups, and I'm gonna use them. Maybe I'll do a mini pour. Who knows? All right. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna torch all the air bubbles, because there's lots of air bubbles in here. And then, look at that. Can you see that? That is so pretty. All right, I'm gonna use my Dutch pour white, okay? Like I said, this is mixed differently. So it's mixed with floetrol, paint, and a little bit of Liquitex Pouring Medium, actually. So there's actually no water in my colored paints. But of course, my Dutch pour paint, which is what I'm pouring around here, is, or does have water, floetrol water and paint. All right, let's just spread her out a little bit here real quick. Putting the layer here on the outside is gonna help, maybe I didn't add enough there, is gonna help the ring pour move better, the paint. I guess I should have added just a little more on this side. All right. Here we go. I hope I know what I'm doing here. It's been so long. Okay. Any more bubbles surface? Maybe. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Actually, I'll pop the bubbles in the white too, because there's a lot of air bubbles in there too. But yes, some more bubbles have surfaced here. And there's a blotch of, what is that? Something must have fell out of my Liquitex. Okay, let's start tilting. Okay, now. This is going to be interesting. I don't know if I should tilt everything, leave some negative space. I'm not sure. Okay, so I've gone over the edge there, so there's no negative space on that side. This thing is heavy. Like, how on earth, Mina, do you tilt a massive canvas? I don't get it. All right. This is kind of pretty though. I'm liking these colors. So I'm gonna bring it back to the center. Always bring it back to the center before you start tilting in a different direction. Super important. Wow, that pink is really, really dominant there. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back. Bring it back. You won't be able to see much, but I'm bringing it back to the center. Oh my goodness, I love it so far. This is crazy. Well, you guys all wanted to see me try new things. Well, here you go. How's this for something new? Now to play with the composition a little bit. A little blobby for me. I might bring some more of it back this way. I love that pink in the top corner there. It's so nice. How many of you are yelling, "Stop tilting, Kanella"? This thing is heavy. This is gonna take a while to dry, for sure. I don't know what should I do? Should I leave it? Oi, fix my little corners here. I didn't go off the edge very much over here. I'm good here. I'm good here now. What's going on over here? Oh no, I missed over here too. But I don't want to tilt anymore that way, because I really like that pink corner here. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so pretty. All right, just dab your finger in there and get it like that. I'll check the other sides later. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else with this. I think I like it like this. I don't know what to do. Yeah, no, I'm gonna leave it. I'm going to leave it alone. I am going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Yeah, be right back. All right, everybody, here it is with the studio lights on. Now, I didn't put obviously a lot of gold in there, so you can't really see it aside from right here. But the Iridescent from Pebeo, which is the light blue and the pink that you're seeing, I'm telling you, when this dries, this is going to look pretty shimmery, I'm sure. When I turn the studio lights off, we'll check it out. I am so thrilled with this. Look at this. This was a lot of fun. Now the question is, how is it going to dry? How is this going to dry? I've never had this much paint on a canvas before, so it'll be interesting. Look at that. It looks like brains. Look at that. Now you see that little swirl right there? That is from when I stopped tilting the cup, and that was the swirl that was left over. Speaking of cup, check this out. How pretty is that? All right, gonna turn the studio lights off, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with the lights off. All right, guys, here we are with the studio lights off. Look at that shimmer. When this is dry, it's gonna look beautiful, and it's gonna get crystal resin. This was a lot of fun. Ladies, thank you so much for joining this collaboration. You know, we've got a great bunch of ladies here. So I'm the second person to release. Mina released 15 minutes before me. Next up is Erica Hughes. So after Erica, we've got Tammy and so Erica Hughes is up next. Then 15 minutes after that is Tammy Anderson. And 15 minutes after her is Sarah Mack. So please be sure to check out everybody. And if you missed Mina, she was ahead of me. Go and check out Mina as well and see how they did with their switcheroo pour. And thank you so much to everybody who watched. If you are a viewer from another channel, one of the other ladies' channels, and you're not a subscriber of mine, I would love it if you would hit that red subscription button. And if you're one of my viewers and have never heard of one of the other four ladies, please head on over and subscribe to their channels as well. I promise you, you will love their art and you'll love their personalities. They are a great bunch of gals. So, oh, and I wanted to say congratulations to Erica Hughes for hitting 100,000 subscribers. Congrats, Erica. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this ring pour. I know it's not a Dutch pour, but if you enjoyed this ring pour, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about something different you've seen me do. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.